Did you know Kylie Jenner suffers from lepidopterophobia? And did you know the pole dancing selfie queen doesn't like fame? If you think this is surprising, and make sure to watch until the end of this video, Muse fam. Hi Muse family! Welcome back to our channel. 10 shocking things you didn't know about Kylie Jenner. Number 1 will really blow your mind. But before we start, did you know that you can be the winner of our $100 giveaway just by watching our videos and subscribing to our channel? Check our description box to find out more. And tune in on our Wednesday video because that's when we start the giveaway. Who knows? You might be our lucky winner. So, let's get started. The youngest of the Kardashian-Jenner clan has basically grown up in front of our eyes, as she was only 9 when Keeping Up with the Kardashians started. Now she's arguably a billionaire and definitely Forbes Highest-Paid Celebrity of 2020. So, how well do you know Kylie Jenner? These are 10 things you didn't know about Kylie Jenner. Number 10. Kylie Jenner can do pole dancing. If her appearance about 10 years ago on the Keeping Up with the Kardashians show is anything to go by, then we must give her credit for being a great pole dancer. In the show, she showcases her pole dancing skills to her family in the bedroom, and we all agree that she wasn't just guessing. She did it with almost no hassle, and although it might have been for fun, she deserves the credit for her stellar performance. So, great job, Kylie! However, Kylie admitted that this was the top moment she would most like to forget from her time on the show. Does this mean we won't be seeing those pole dancing moves anymore? That's too bad. Right, Muse fam? We're sure you haven't heard about that until today. Wait till we get to the next one, guys. You will surely be more surprised than ever. Number 9. Kylie Jenner doesn't work that body out. The star with one of Hollywood's most amazing bodies reveals that she doesn't have to work for it. Her perfect combo of slim and curvy is just the way she was born. Not only does Kylie avoid the gym, she eats whatever she wants. Kylie's ability to maintain her figure with little effort has been a running joke among her sisters who work hard at their physical fitness on Keeping Up with the Kardashians. This gorgeous star chows down on Popeyes and loves yellow rice. She thanks her dad for her athletic genes and perfect figure. Her fast metabolism allows her to maintain a junk food diet and cram herself full of candy. Kylie knows this will catch up to her eventually and plans to start working out soon. It's still hard to believe those abs come naturally. She blames her mom for being such a sweet tooth, claiming she always had candy in the house. Just when we thought Kylie couldn't be luckier. I have to admit that I'm a bit jealous now. How about you? Number 8. Kylie has a fear of butterflies. Kylie Jenner suffers from lepidopterophobia. It's hard to pronounce, I know. It's an irrational fear of butterflies. And this is a weird one, because we have seen many a butterfly image and piece of jewelry on Kylie's Instagram, and people even thought Stormi was going to have a butterfly-related name at one point. But Kylie has admitted that she is terrified of all butterflies on her show, Life of Kylie, but yet she does love the still image of butterflies. Sounds ironic, doesn't it? Number 7. Kylie removed her lip fillers. In 2018, Kylie decided to cut back on the one thing that probably helped to boost her beauty career, her lips. She may have been famous for her augmented pout, but the gorgeous girl thought it was time to remove all lip injections after falling pregnant with Stormi and reportedly falling in love with a natural look. This came as a big shock to all her fans, especially after causing so much controversy with her plumped-up pout when she was a teen. What do you think about this, Muse fam? Do you believe she removed all her fillers? Let us know in the comments. Number 6. Kylie and Caitlyn Jenner. Kylie has remarked that she knew about her father's desire to transition for most of her life. I've honestly known about it for a really long time, Kylie once told Ellen DeGeneres. We actually caught him dressing up as a girl when my sister and I were like 6 or 7 maybe, so we've known for a while that there was something, but it was never talked about. Kylie explained that their relationship has improved as a result of her father's transition, and that she even prefers Caitlyn to Bruce. I like it a lot better. I like her a lot better than Bruce, Kylie said. We talk about makeup and clothes. We bond a lot more, but not only that, I feel like there's not a huge secret in the family. Kylie first met Caitlyn Jenner over FaceTime after she had her wisdom teeth removed. What a lovely family bonding. Number 5. Kylie Jenner, a stalker? Regardless of all the wealth, Kylie Jenner, just like every girl in the world, knows how to stalk. Yes, In a 2015 interview, the star revealed that not even she is immune to stalking her exes on social media. It's not like Kylie has many exes in her life, unless you count ex-friends as well. Do you think she stalks Jordan? So tell us, News fam, have you stalked one of your exes too? We bet you have. Number 4. Kylie Jenner has never finished a TV show. Although she may be a reality star, Kylie is no binge watcher. She told Glamour magazine UK in 2016, "I don't think I have ever finished a series ever in my life, but the last series I was watching was The People vs. O.J. Simpson. I didn't finish it, I don't think I will. Not that it wasn't good, it was great. I just can't seem to finish the series." So, who are you rooting for, Kylie? The People or O.J. Simpson? Just kidding, you really don't have to answer that. Number 3. Kylie Jenner the Cheerleader. Would you believe me if I told you that Kylie was once a cheerleader of her high school football team? Well, you'd better believe it, because it's a fact. Kylie and her sister Kendall were top of the squad of cheerleaders in the Sierra Canyon School located in Chatsworth, California. While Kendall was the base, Kylie was the spotter. They were also in the same school as Willow Smith. When asked to pick the better of the two sisters, the majority of the students found it hard to pick, since it seemed both ladies had perfected their skills in their respective fields. Of course, this was before fame got the better of them and they had to do homeschooling. It's proven that Kylie is really talented. I mean, what can't she do? Everything she touches turns into a success. Number 2. Kylie Jenner as the messiest sibling. Most last-born kids seem to be messy. Of course, Kylie is the youngest of her sisters, so that might explain why she's excused to be messy. In a recent interview on The Ellen Show, Kylie's sisters Chloe and Courtney picked out Kylie as the messiest in the family. After all, she has her big sisters to do the tidying up. Anyway, with the amount of money she has, does it really matter whether someone is tidy or not? She can easily hire people to do the tidying. Duh! Number 1. Kylie doesn't like public speaking. Once, during a school presentation, Kylie was so nervous that she said, "My favorite food is soccer and basketball." And she's spoken out about not wanting to be famous. In fact, in the latest season of Keeping Up with the Kardashians, Kylie admitted to Kim and Kourtney that she really feels deep down inside that she isn't supposed to be famous. Well, it looks like life turned out the opposite for you, Kylie. Crazy, right? That a girl with almost 200 million followers on her Instagram deep down doesn't like the fame. If these facts don't make you a little more obsessed with the Instagram queen, then we don't know what will. That's all for today, Muse family. 10 shocking things you didn't know about Kylie Jenner. Which of these facts shocked you the most? Comment down below, because we would love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button to get more access to our super fun and exciting videos. And don't forget to tune in Wednesday for our giveaway. That's all for today, Muse fam. Till next time.